Tired of juggling multiple smart devices, remotes, and apps? Imagine this. You walk into your home, say just a few words, and the lights dim, your favorite playlist starts, and the coffee machine kicks into gear. All without lifting a finger. Welcome to the world of AI-powered smart home assistants, where you become the boss, your voice the ultimate remote, and your home, the smart steward. In today's video, we're diving deep into how these intelligent assistants are revolutionizing modern living, separating the convenience from the complexity, and giving you a real look at how AI is reshaping your home life. The future of home automation is no longer a far-off fantasy. It's here, and it's evolving fast. Listen to this user insight.
Now, I'll admit, I was a skeptic at first. I used to think smart home assistants were just expensive toys, glorified speakers that could tell you the weather and set a timer. Cool, sure, but essential? Not really. But after spending a few months with the latest AI-powered models, I can honestly say I've changed my mind. What I found wasn't just a tool, it was a living part of my home. It remembered my routines. It responded with surprising intuition. It made things smoother, easier, and yes, even a bit like magic.
So let's break it all down. How we got here, what's available now, the impact these assistants are having on our lives, and what the future might hold. Smart home tech has come a long way. We started with basic automation, lights you could turn on with an app, motion sensors, maybe a smart thermostat. Functional, but disconnected. Each device did its job, but didn't work together. Then came the first wave of voice assistants, Alexa, Google Assistant, Siri. Suddenly, we could control things with speech. We went from task-based tech to conversation-driven control. And now, we're entering the next phase, AI-powered intelligence. These new assistants don't just listen, they learn. They don't just react, they anticipate. They don't just follow commands, they understand context. It's the difference between saying turn off the kitchen lights and your assistant knowing that every night at 10 p.m. you like a low light setting in the hallway and the AC turned down a notch. That's not just automation, it's adaptation. Let's meet the major players in the space. Amazon Alexa is still the go-to for massive smart home integration. It supports thousands of devices, and it's become a centerpiece for connected living. Google Assistant shines when it comes to knowledge and voice recognition. Its real-time language translation, contextual replies, and integration with Google services make it incredibly powerful. Apple Siri, while more reserved, is leading on privacy and seamless integration within the Apple ecosystem. With the HomePod Mini, Apple's created a secure and tightly controlled smart experience. Then you've got newer contenders like Josh AI, tailored for luxury homes, offering privacy-first AI with a strong focus on natural language and spatial awareness. Each has strengths. Each fits a different, yet fascinating kind of lifestyle. So what can these assistants actually do in real life? Hey Google, good morning. The blinds rise, the news plays, the coffee brews. Alexa, movie night. The lights dim, the TV turns on, the soundbar kicks in. Siri, lock the front door. Peace of mind in one sentence. And beyond the wow factor, there's serious practicality. You can control your lights, security system, thermostat, media, appliances, calendar, reminders, even order groceries, all from the same interface. It's not about showing off, yet it can make you live like a boss. It's really about taking back time. AI assistants are doing more than just making life easier. They're making life better. Energy efficiency. AI learns when you're home and adjusts your heating, cooling, and lighting accordingly, helping reduce bills and your environmental footprint. Health and wellness. Some assistants now track air quality, suggest breaks, sync with fitness trackers, and remind you to hydrate or move if you've been inactive too long. Safety and security. From checking if the doors are locked, to alerting you of smoke, motion, or suspicious activity, smart assistants enhance home security without being intrusive. It's not just luxury, it's livability, but with great convenience come great concerns. Now, let's talk privacy. These devices are always listening for wake words. But what else are they hearing? Where is your data stored? Who has access? Security is also a concern. Any connected device could potentially be hacked, especially if left unprotected. And on a human level, how does relying on AI for everyday tasks affect our social interactions, our decision-making, even our children's development? It's important to enjoy the tech, but also to ask the hard questions. Responsible AI use means transparency, choice, and control staying with the user. So, what's on the horizon? Soon, your smart assistant won't just respond, it will collaborate. We're talking multimodal interaction, blending voice, gesture, facial recognition, even emotion detection. Imagine walking into your home and your assistant senses your mood through tone or facial cues, adjusting the lights, music, or even suggesting a mindfulness session. There's also talk of AI working alongside augmented reality, allowing you to design your space visually and control it with voice. And as homes themselves become more intelligent, with smart materials, adaptive layouts, and even robotic elements, AI assistants will become central hubs not just of control, but companionship. So, are AI-powered smart home assistants just another gadget fad? Not at all. They represent a shift in how we live, with our spaces adapting to us, not the other way around. Whether you want a fully automated home or just a bit more ease in your daily routine, there's a smart assistant out there for you. And the best part? You're still in control. The technology's smart, but it's here to serve you. What do you think? Would you let an AI assistant run your home? Or are you still holding back? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your take. Don't forget to subscribe and for more insights into the future of tech, smart living, and digital tools that make life better. And for tech tips, gadgets reviews, and trade histories, visit us at youtube.com/@Frankhorn. The smart home isn't science fiction anymore. It's here. The question is, are you ready to live in it?